Presenting Sahayata, a completely free AI powered legal assistance platform.
India has over 1.4 billion people, but a huge proportion of them, especially in villages, tier 2 cities, and backward areas, lack access to basic legal knowledge.
Many don't know their rights, how to approach the police, or how to find a trustworthy lawyer. Language barriers, illiteracy, internet dependency, and legal complexity makes it worse.
This leads to delayed justice, exploitation, and loss of trust in the system.
Our solution? Sahayata.
Sahayata is a cost free AI powered legal assistant website designed to provide urgent help and spread legal awareness among the citizens of India. The solution integrates voice based interaction in almost all languages, shows the nearest police station, connects user to verified local advocates, and promotes legal knowledge for those unaware of their rights.
This website is not just a tool for emergencies, it is a mission to educate every citizen about the law, their rights, and legal procedures, especially targeting rural and underinformed communities.
What makes it unique provides instant help in legal emergency via a voice controlled interface.
Detects your location and shows nearby police stations on a map with contact options. Gives access to a directory of local, verified advocates, including specialization and availability.
Allows direct calls to legal authorities or lawyers, offers legal awareness tips, basic right information, and guides, all completely free.
Everything we just mentioned voice based interaction, location aware support, and seamless legal help comes together inside the Sahayata platform. Now that you know what it does, let me show you how it actually works live and in action. Users can sign up or log in easily, and once they are in, all their conversations and assistance history is securely logged. So even if you forget what you asked, don't worry, Sahayata remembers. No need to dig through old screenshots or messages, everything stays right where you left it. Now, I'll give you a walkthrough of how to do it. This is our login page where you'll first put up the email address that you have used, the password required, and then sign into your account. But for that, first let's create an account. First, give your full name, then the email address, and create a strong password for your account. You can see your account has been successfully created. Next up is our map based assistance. Say you're in a difficult situation, maybe you're in an unfamiliar area and need help. With just a tap, you can find nearby police stations or switch over to local advocates in your area. We have integrated Google Maps for real time accuracy, so no more searching endlessly or asking random strangers on the street. It's quick, location aware, and actually helpful. Now I'll show you how our website is going to show you your nearby police stations and the nearby advocates. With just a click, you're going to see the list of all the nearby police stations as you can see over the screen. You can get the list of all of them with just a tap. Similarly, for nearby advocates, you're going to get a list of all the nearby advocates with their contact details and as well the address. Now, let's meet Seva. She starts by asking your preferred language, and from there, she takes the conversation forward in that language, whether it's Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali, or even English, and even a few international languages, she's got you covered. This makes legal help feel more natural and personal. The conversation flows like you're talking to someone who actually gets you, not a rigid script. You can also have full control. You can mute, unmute, or end the conversation whenever you want. No judgment, no pressure. Now, how about we directly talk to Seva and understand this feature more better?
आप कानूनी सहायता तक पहुंच चुके हैं। आपकी बेहतर मदद के लिए कृपया बताएं आपकी पसंदीदा भाषा क्या है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, गुजराती। You have accessed legal aid. For your better help, please tell us your preferred language, for example English, Hindi, Gujarati.
English.
Hi, I'm Seva, your legal assistant. How can I help you today? Let me know if it's urgent or if you need legal guidance.
What is the fine for road rage in Maharashtra?
According to the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2019 and the Maharashtra Motor Vehicles Rules 1989, road rage is considered a form of rash driving. The fine for rash driving in Maharashtra can range from 1000 rupees to 5000 rupees, depending on the severity of the offense.
You might also spot an upload document feature on the screen. Now, here's the honest bit. It's not live yet. We planned for users to upload legal documents so Seva could read and respond based on those files. But due to the heavy load of real time speech and document parsing, we had to pause that part for now. I'll, as you have seen, I've switched to dev tools so you can see what's going on under the hood. Now I'll upload a document to show you what's actually going on.
Please tell me your concern about this document.
I want you to read it for me and tell me what's actually in it.
दस्तावेज प्रोसेसिंग में त्रुटि हुई। कृपया दोबारा कोशिश करें।
Yes, there's an error, but it's a good kind of error, one that tells us where to improve, and we are going to implement this soon. This will make Seva even more helpful and the experience more complete. Here's where Sahayata really takes things step further. Users can simply enter their phone number and within seconds they'll receive a real phone call from Seva. That's right, Seva doesn't just chat on the screen, she calls you directly. You speak to her in your preferred language, explain your issue naturally, and get instant legal advice just like a conversation. Now I'll show you how that's actually going to happen. First up, I'll put up my phone number with the country code. Now we click on request call.
How can I assist you with your legal inquiry today?
Can you tell me what's the fine for road rage in Maharashtra?
Could you tell me a bit more about your situation so I can provide the most relevant information regarding road rates in Maharashtra? Are you referring to toll rates, vehicle registration fees, or something else?
Isn't just a cool feature, it's a game changer. It makes Sahayata accessible even to users with limited literacy or internet access. No complicated forms, no typing, just your voice and a responsive, intelligent system ready to help. What if I don't speak to Seva for some limited amount of time while she waits for my prompt? Is there where the Easter egg is? Let's test.
आप कानूनी सहायता तक पहुंच चुके हैं। आपकी बेहतर मदद के लिए कृपया बताएं आपकी पसंदीदा भाषा क्या है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, गुजराती। You have accessed legal aid. For your better help, please tell us your preferred language, for example, English, Hindi, Gujarati.
English.
Hi, I'm Seva, your legal assistant. How can I help you today? Let me know if it's urgent or if you need legal guidance.
Bingo, that's where it was. I don't think you could guess it, could you?
Check out the website. We use Firebase or to securely log in user and grab their UID and token. it quickly, reliably, and work across device. All user interaction and chats are saved in MongoDB, which gives a flexible and dynamic database without any limits. We can store as much of data the chats people are having because this will be needed for them for their use in future. For front end, we are using React and Vite along with Tailwind CSS as it is fast. And for 3D modeling, we brought in React libraries therein, making legal navigation more immersive. The brain of a system is blend with OpenAI, Google AI, Grok, and Omnidim. Let me tell you, Omnidim is the key for our request call. Using Omnidiv, we are able to get the call back, and using Google AI, will be getting the nearby police advocate places. For local, like the rural area where the GPS is not working or the Google Map have not well furnished with the advocates and the policemen, we have operated a local fallback system also. And for text to speech, the heart of this app, we are using Google API. Everything is powered by Node.js plus Express as a backend, which gives it the whole power. I would like to tell you for hosting, we are using Render as a backend, and for frontend,
Feasibility. Technologies used are open source or have free tiers, such as Firebase and Maps API. Can scale to multiple regions by updating the languages in the app and more languages to the call.
Usable on low end Android phones, making it ideal for rural development. Challenges and solution. Location accuracy issue in remote zones, handling diverse Hindi dialects.
Limited internet access in some areas, ensuring lawyer database stays current and verified.
Strategies to overcome challenges offer manual input option if GPS fails.
Partner with legal NGOs or bar councils to maintain advocate data. Offer online tips and numbers pre downloaded for no internet zones.
Impact. Sahayata can empower millions with legal awareness, offer help during urgent legal trouble.
Educate and reduce exploitation, support women, rural citizens, and the underrepresented, strengthen trust in the justice system.
Why Sahayata matters. Social impact promotes justice and awareness.
Economic value, it is 100% free and no middleman is involved. Environmental, it is fully digital. Governance, it supports digital India and access to justice missions.
Sahayata is legal help at your voice command for everyone, everywhere, free. Thank you.